Out. You don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. With wings of aspiration, we all will fly to gloriously touch the sky. Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Chairperson Madam Smita Panigrahi, Chief Mentor Sir Dr. B.B. Panigrahi, Executive Director Professor Dr. R.N. Satpathy, Principal Professor Dr. M.N. Dwivedi, Coordinator Cultural Committee Dr. Siddharth Mahapatra, all the heads of the departments, teachers and my dear friends. A very delightful evening to one and all present over here.
I, Devendu,
And I, Pranati,
on behalf of Trident family, we take the privilege to welcome you all to the most awaited evening of the year, the TriFest 2020. The success in an organization is built with a leader with vision. This organization has never failed to develop the spirit of winning in students, and we Tridentians believe in the power of success.
the world is full of diamonds and gems. We are here today with some of them to build this event. Today, these gems are here to sparkle with the dance and music.
To start the inaugural meet, now I take the privilege to invite Madam Smita Panigrahi onto the dais. She has been a woman of willpower who sticks to aspirations. She has always given her aspirations in planning a successful runway for the students. She is lovingly known as the lady with the golden heart. We welcome you, ma'am. Now, I would like to invite the Executive Director, Strategy and Development, Professor Dr. R.N. Satpathy onto the dais. A man whose relentless efforts has so Trident to pinnacle in the field of research and development. We welcome you, sir.
Now, I'd like to invite our very own principal, Dr. M.N. Dwivedi, onto the dais. Sir, please. And a amicable personality who is always smiling face. We welcome you, sir. May I now invite the Coordinator Cultural Committee, Professor Dr. Siddharth Mahapatra, onto the dais. Sir, please. He is a teacher par excellence who never believes in imposing. His class is rather a kind of fun ride through the avenues of knowledge. An outstanding orator who knits ideas, words and articulations to an exquisite expression, never failing to charm his audience. Typically, to his nature, his enthusiasm and passion as a coordinator of the event has inspired TriFest 2020 to take off so beautifully. We welcome you, sir.
Now, I would request the student volunteers to present the floral bouquet and welcome them. Now, I request our guests to please come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony.
Ma'am, please. Sir, please.
ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Now, the musical band of our college, named the Seven Notes, led by Swagat Sanket, are going to present the welcome song.
गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणाधिकाय श्री गणेशाय धीमहि ज्ञानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानन्तरात्मने गानोश्चुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोऽसुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रवरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गुरुग्रन्थाय गन्धमत्ताय भोजनप्रदाय धीमहि गुणाधीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Well done, bros.
Thank you, friends. May I now request our Executive Director, Professor Dr. Aryan Satpathy, to address this August gathering. Sir, please.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Honorable Chief Guest on the dais,
I am here.
Mrs. Smitarani Panigrahi, Madam, Chairperson of Trident Group. Of the dais, Honorable Dr. B.B. Panigrahi, sir, Chief Mentor of Trident Group of Institutions. On the dais,
गोटे लेखा हमारे कहीं 10 लेखा हमारे
respected Principal of TAT,
सही गुण गलानी
Dr. M.N. Dwivedi.
सही तो मनुष्य
And again of the dais, respected my colleagues of Trident Group of Institutions and my dear students. I would like to welcome all to the first day of TriFest 2020. Now, my dear students, you are passing through a transition period. The transition period is childhood to adult. You are on that stage. And this is a very important period on your life. And here a question is always in your mind. What do you want to do? What are you supposed to do? As you know, everybody wants to be success. And a successful man always been praised. But successfulness is aspiration. But the real thing what we want to be happy. Everybody want to be happy. So, if you are happy, you can be successful. You are successful, you may not be happy. So, to be successful, you can remember there are 5 components. One is
It's okay.
positive feeling.
Not mandatory.
You should have a positive feeling. Second, you must be engaged. If you will engage, then only you will be happy.
20 units.
Third is relationship.
Camera.
You must have good relationship. It means if your surrounding is happy, then you will be happy. And mind it, happiness is the key thing of everything. So my dear students, be optimistic. Don't wait that after 4 years I will get a job and I will be happy. You can be happy now. So be optimistic, be happy. Enjoy TriFest. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now I request our very own principal, Dr. M.N. Dwivedi, to present the annual report of 2020 and address the students. Sir, please.
Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Smita Ma'am, Honorable Chief Mentor Dr. B.B. Panigrahi Sir,
ଏବେ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ମାରିବାକୁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
respected Executive Director Dr. Satpathy Sir, respected Coordinator TriFest 2020 Dr. Siddharth Mahapatra Sir, respected Professor, my colleague and dear students. First of all, I welcome you all on behalf of our institute to this TriFest 2020. It is not new. For last 15 years, your seniors have been organizing this festival. This is the most awaited spring festival of the institute. And the speciality of this organization
ଛୁଆ କାହିଁ
is that
ଛୁଆ କାହିଁ
we give priority to the discipline.
ପିଲା
So all these functions they have organized and you are going to organize,
ସେଇପଟେ
is definitely you will maintain discipline and decorum. Our institute is very young. It's more than 15 years, but very strong. It's a popular hub for education. Lot of talents are there in academy, in culture, in research. So you should be proud to be a part of such a great institute. Are you not?
yes sir
Are you not proud to be the part of this institute?
yes sir
Very good.
yes କହିଲି ବେ
I want to thank all these participants who are going to perform their
yo sir
programs in this festival. So let us give big hand to all those participants for this competition. Again, I want to thank all the final year students who are organizing this and with a lot of discipline and decorum.
ମଝିରେ ନାଚ
So I wish a colorful success of this festival. Thank you very much.
ନାହାନ୍ତି ବେ ଏଥରକ
Thank you, sir.
ହଁ ବୋଲ
I would like to request all the prize winners to assemble near the dais. I would like to request all the prize winners to please assemble near the dais. Now, I would hand over the mic to Namita ma'am for the prize. Ma'am, please.
ଫଟୋ ମାରିବୁ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ମାରିବୁ ଏଥିରେ
I request the students not to shake the hands while receiving the prize.
Thank you, Divindu. A very good evening. This starry evening would be incomplete if we did not acknowledge the talents of our institution. So here goes the award ceremony. And first of all, the Best Student Award, as it's given every year in the memory of our beloved director, late Madam Praniti Mishra. The award comes with a prize of cash prize of 5,000 rupees. And this year, it's backed by Dipali Patnaik, ETC 4th year. A big round of applause for Dipali. And I would request our esteemed chairperson, Madam Smita Rani Panigrahi, to kindly do the honors. She's now there. I move to the next category. It's dance competition, and the first prize goes to Samir Kumar Karua, first year IT. And the second prize is backed by Madhusmita Bora, fourth year ETC. Madhusmita. The third prize is backed by Shweta Padma Mishra, fourth year ETC. Congratulations. The next category is song,
And the winner is Devjyoti Biswal, second year IT. First prize won by Devjyoti Biswal, second year IT. I think he's not available, so the second prize. Okay, he's there. And the second prize is won by Swagat Sanket Sahu, fourth year CAC. Swagat. And the third prize is won by Roop Kiran Raut, fourth year mechanical. Now some literary prizes. English essay writing competition is won by, first prize is won by Aparna Priyadarshini Mishra, fourth year CAC. The next second prize, please make it fast. Second prize is won by Natasha. Natasha, please be ready. Second prize won by Natasha Mahapatra, third year CAC. And third prize is backed by Debasish Rai, fourth year double. I think it's not available. So the next category, creative writing, again by Aparna Priyadarshini Mishra. She has won the first prize. Second prize is won by Roop Kiran Raut. And the third prize is won by Natasha Mahapatra again. Next is English debate. First prize won by T. Kameshwari Pranati, third year ETC. Second prize won by Roop Kiran Raut, 4-year mechanical. Third prize by Barnali Mishra, 4th year CSC. Thank you so much, madam. I request you to take your seat. I'll again request you to give away some of the prizes at the end, some special prizes. Next, I'd request our respected Executive Director, Professor Dr. R.N. Satpathy, to give away some of the prizes. In the category of entrepreneurship, we have again Roop Kiran bagging the first prize. Roop Kiran, 4th year mechanical, bagged the first prize in entrepreneurship. Second prize is won by Soumya Ranjan Jaina, 4th year ETC. And the third prize is won by Subhasish Pitt, 4th year CSC. Pitt, 4th year CSC. Next is picture interpretation. Again, Roop Kiran Raut, 4th year mechanical, has bagged the first prize. Roop Kiran, second prize won by Soumya Ranjan Jaina, 4th year ETC. And the third prize is won by Sambit Prasad Parida, 3rd year ETC. Next category is graffiti. Sunrich Group, please come forward for the first prize, graffiti category. Sunrich Group, Sahil Singh, TK Pranati, Sambit Prasad Parida, 3rd year ETC, has bagged the first prize in graffiti. Congratulations. Second prize is won by the group Nevertheless She Persisted, and the members are Shalini, Preeti, Shweta and Shivani, all 3rd year CSC. They have bagged the second position in graffiti. Next category is press meet. Roop Kiran again is the best celebrity meeting the press. Roop Kiran has bagged the first prize. Sorry, I missed the third prize for the graffiti. The third prize is backed by Freedom Group. In graffiti, Freedom Group, please come over. I'm sorry I missed it. Members are Rakhi Das, Saurav, Raj Parida, Gurupad Rai and Sarthak Samal. 3rd year IT. They have bagged the 3rd position in graffiti. And then to the press meet, we have T. Kameshwari Pranati, 3rd year ETC, bagging the second prize. And third prize is won by Soumya Ranjan Jaina, 4th year ETC. Next category is extempore speech. Roop Kiran, why don't you stay near the stage? Roop Kiran, 4th year mechanical, Angel again bagged the first prize in extempore. Second prize is won again by Soumya Ranjan Jaina, 4th year ETC. The group has really made us proud. And third prize is again by T. Kameshwari Pranati, 3rd year ETC. The next category is drama or mono acting, and the first prize is won by this group: Dibyajit Panda, 1st year CSE, Suprav Parida, 2nd year EEE, Swaraj Kumar Sai, 1st year ETC, Soumya Ranjan Panigrahi, 2nd year EE. They have won the first prize. The second prize is won by these two people: Soumya Ranjan Jaina, 4th year ETC, and Jagyasu Narayan Sethua, 3rd year EEE.
मार acting रे.
Next category is quiz. Again, Soumya Ranjan, please stay back. You have got the first prize in quiz. A big round of applause. And second prize is won by Rajalakshmi Rautrai, 4th year mechanical. Third prize is won by Hare Krishna Sahu, 1st year CST. Hare Krishna Sahu, 1st year CST. Next is Antakshari. We have Ritu Gupta and Rup Kiran Raut. Ritu Gupta from IT, 4th year, and Rup Kiran Raut from mechanical, 4th year. They have got the first prize in Antakshari. This is won by Somalin Parida from civil, 4th year, and Anvesha Anurakta, 2nd year ETC. They have won the second prize in Antakshari. And the third prize is won by T. Kameshwari Pranati, Shweta Suman Mohanty, both from ETC. T. Kameshwari is 3rd year and Shweta Suman Mohanty is 2nd year. Both have won the third prize in Antakshari. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. I would now request our respected Principal Professor Dr. M.N. Dwivedi to give away some of the prizes. Next category is Oriya debate, and the first prize is won by Vivekanand Mohanty. Vivekanand Mohanty, 3rd year EEE. Second prize is shared by Soumya Ranjan Jaina, 4th year ETC, and Rajeshri Malik, 4th year EEE.
हाँ सचिन कहबे हाँ ठीक है सचिन वॉलीबॉल
And third prize is won by Satyavrat Jaina, 3rd year CSE. Category is Hindi debate. First prize is won by Abhishek Kumar, 4th year ETC. Abhishek Kumar, 4th year ETC. The second prize is won by Soumya Ranjan Jaina, 4th year ETC again. And the third prize is won by Sahil Singh, 3rd year ETC. Next we have painting. The first prize is won by Ritika Singh, 3rd year EEE. Second prize is won by Subhashri Mahapatra, 2nd year CSE. And the third prize is won by Suryakant Samal, 4th year EEE. Suryakant Samal, 4th year EEE. Our next category is photography. Photography, first prize is won by Abhijit Sahu, 1st year CST. Second prize is backed by Acharya Rocky Priyadarshan, 4th year EE. The third prize is backed by Preetam Kumar Behra, 3rd year CSE. Next category is Rangoli. Rubina Sahu and Rajeshri Malik, both 4th year EEE, have bagged the first prize in Rangoli. Second prize is shared by Soumya Ranjan Patnaik and Rajalakshmi Rautrai, both from 4th year mechanical. And third prize is bagged by 4th year civil, Smaranika Patra. Smaranika is not available. Now we have some group
मारिबू फटा मारिबू
And it
Volleyball
is
आगू बढ़े।
inter-branch basketball competition.
आगू जा
And the champions are Triple E, Tarun Chandra, Rajiv Nandan, T. Vinay Sagar Kumar, Suman Kumar, Dubendu Mahakur, Suprabha Parida, Viswajit Patra, and Nikhil Pradhan. Champions Inter-Branch Basketball Competition 2020, Triple E. And the runners-up are CSC and IT. And the players are Satyaswagat Mishra, Dilon Naik, Kamal Nayan Swain, Roshan Lal Prajapati, Mohammad Sajid Ali, Divya Jyoti Patra, Divya Jyoti Parida, Dipankar Mali, Divya Jyoti Pila. Congratulations. The next category is badminton competitions, single and boys category. The champion is Shubham Kumar Gaur, first year CSE. And the runners up Yashish Gauchan, third year CSE. Girls badminton competition. The champions are Pallavi Patnaik. Champion is Pallavi Patnaik, second year CSE. Pallavi Patnaik, second year CSE, has bagged the champion position in the girls category badminton competition singles. And the runners-up is Rajeshwari Swai, fourth year Triple E. Rajeshwari Swai, fourth year Triple E. Then we have inter-branch volleyball competition. The champions are CSE and IT. The players are Satyaswagat Mishra, Amit Prabha Patra, Nadim Khan, Soumya Ranjan Swai, Vibhu Prasad Patra, Shweta Bindu Mohanty, Swaraj Samantrai, Aman Mohanty, and Vinayak Mohanty. And the runners-up are mechanical. Runners-up are mechanical, and the players are Rashmi Ranjan Giri, Umanjit Singh, Abhinash Mahapatra, Dushmant Naik, Rakesh Roshan Pal, Soumya Ranjan Dani, Satya Ranjan Das, Dhananjay Naik, Satya Ranjan Samal, and Shiv Sundar Jena. Baichung Bhutias of Trident inter-branch football competition. The champions are Triple E again, and the players are Rajiv Nandan, Lakshman Soren, Tarun Chandra Mohali, Deepak Majhi, T. Vinay Sagar Kumar, Divendu Mahakur, Soumya Khandayat Rai, Viswajit Patra, Suprav Parida, Rudra Prasad Naik, Prasanjit Marandi, and Ayushman. They are the champions in inter-branch football competition 2020. Runners-up are CSC and IT, and the players are Deepak Kumar Mohanty, Ashish Anand, Vibhu Prasad Patra, Subhasish Bit, Satyaswagat Mishra, Sheikh Faimuddin, Dilan Naik, Swastik Devapriya Raut, Ashutosh Jena, Ashutosh Rautrai, Kamal Nayan Swai, Vishal Ghosh, Vinayak Mohanty, and Kamal Acharya. Now the results of chess competition singles. The champion in the boys category is Subham Srivastav, 4th year CSE. Subham Srivastav, 4th year CSE. And the runners-up is Dubendu Kumar Mahakur, 3rd year Triple E. In the girls category, the champion is Rajeshwari Swai, 4th year Triple E, chess competition 2020 singles. Rajeshwari Swai, champion in chess competition. And the runners-up is Rajalakshmi Rautrai. Rajalakshmi Rautrai, 4th year mechanical. In the Karen competition, we have Rupesh Prusti, 4th year civil, champion. Karen competition boys, the champion is Rupesh Prusti, 4th year civil. And the runners up is Sweta Bindu Mohanty. Runners up Sweta Bindu Mohanty, 4th year CSE. In the girls category, the champion is Rajeshwari Swai, 4th year Triple E. Rajeshwari Swai, 4th year Triple E, is the champion in the girls category Karen competition 2020. And the runners up is Rajalakshmi Rautrai, 4th year mechanical again. And next, the most popular of all, the results of the inter-branch cricket tournament 2020. And the champions are the mechanical boys. And the players are Satyaranjan Swai, Rakesh Roshan Pal, Soumya Ranjan Dani, Avinash Mahapatra, Jagannath Naik, Abhishek Kumar, Dushmant Naik, Sudhanshu Shekhar Panda, Vivekanand Adhikari, Paresh Saman, Umanjit Singh, Avinash Bhutia, B. Prabhakar Reddy, Soumya Ranjan Saman, and Abhishek Jena. And the runners-up are CSE and IT. Nadeem Khan, Himanshu Kumar Singh, Soumya Ranjan Swai, Swetavindu Mohanty, Satya Swagat Mishra, Sunil Kumar Srichandran, Debasish Naik, Sanakant Mishra, Divya Jyoti Panigrahi, Adarsh Darshan, Soumya Shubham Patra, Rajesh Ranjan, Subhranshu Shekhar Behra, Amir Dhade, and Antaryami Maharana. Now I would like to acknowledge the students for developing their project. It's a special award that is SAE India Applicable Vehicle. And the students are Ashish Kumar Pradhan, Bhavani Shankar Sahu, Dinesh Kumar Sahu, Siman Kumar Mahapatra, and Rajesh Kumar Mohanty. It's a special award for developing a project.
हाँ आने बताओ
And then and SAE standards. There's one more project, SAE standard formula vehicle, developed by Sriram Swarup Das, Subham Srivastav, Sumit Yadav, Umanjit Singh, Nadim Alam, Aditya Sharma, Vikas Kumar Pandey, Rishi Kumar Sharma, Aman Jaiswal, Sagar Samal, Adarsh Kumar Singh, Siddharth Shekhar Raut, Satyaranjan Das, Azad Haidar, and Soumya Ranjan Samal. We have a very special award as given every year, and I would request again Madam to give to the honors. This is Triton of the Year Award 2020, and it is awarded for all-round performance in academics, sports, cultural activities, good manner, everything. It comes with a cash prize of 2,000 rupees, and the winner is Rajeshwari Swai, Triple E, 4th year. A big congratulations, Rajeshwari Swai, Triple E, 4th year. And I would like to mention here that this award is sponsored by Mirza Shah Nawaz, graduated in 2011 from this college, Trident Academy of Technology, from ETC branch, and he's now working in TCS, Sweden. So congratulations. We have in mono acting T. Kameshwari Pranati, bagging the first prize, 3rd year ETC. T. Kameshwari.
କ'ଣ ହେଲା ପାଣି କ'ଣ ଯାଉନି ପୁଅ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ୁ ମାଗିକି
Soumya Ranjan Jena, 4th year ETC. Mono acting. And third prize is won by Acharya Rocky Priyadarshan, 4th year.
ଭାଇ ସବୁଆଡ଼େ ଦେଖିକି
So that's it from the award desk. Thank you so much, dignitaries. I'm sure this event will unfold in the most spectacular way. Over to
ଆରେ
the
ହଁ
Now, I would like to invite the coordinator, Cultural Committee, Dr.
ମୁଁ
Siddharth
video ଅଛି
Mahapatra,
ଏବେ।
to give the vote of thanks. Sir,
ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଅଛି
please.
ମୁଁ ହଲି ପାରିବିନି ଏଠୁ ହଁ
Good evening, everyone. Esteemed Chairperson, Trident Group of Institutions, Mrs. Smitharani Panigrahi, Madam. Esteemed Chief Mentor, Sir Dr. B.B. Panigrahi. Esteemed Executive Director,
ହଁ ସାଙ୍ଗ
Dr. Satpathy. Esteemed Principal, Dr. M.N. Dwivedi.
ମୁଁ ଟୋଟାଲ ରହୁଛି
Professors,
ଅଛି ବେଷ୍ଟ ସାର ଭିଡ଼ିଓ
my dear colleagues, all dear students, and ladies and gentlemen.
ସବୁ ହଉନି ବାବା
It is, as we know, it's a customary when we think of any program and we go for a vote of thanks. Of course,
କ'ଣ କହିଲୁ
we thank people who we invite, who are involved in many activities and all these things. So let me take this opportunity to thank ourselves, because as I say, it's not I, it's we. We have arranged it, and we are trying to make it as successful as possible. That's why let us thank ourselves as a whole. Trident Group of Institutions, it's not about I, it's all about we. However, I will be failing in my duties if I don't express my gratitude to our esteemed Chairperson, Madam, who has always been there to guide us, to help us, most importantly with her love and affection, and has encouraged us to do a lot of things. I'm really thankful to you on behalf of the Trident Group of Institutions and the Committee of Sports and Cultural Committee. Then coming to our most revered Sir Dr. B.B. Panigrahi, who has always been there on and off the screen. I always say that he has been omnipresent, and of course he is omniscient and omnipotent, no doubt about it. And your support, encouragement, blessing, guidance, any amount of adjective will not do justice to the kind of support that we get from you, sir. We are really grateful to you. Thank you so very much. Then coming to our principal, sir. He inspires us with a smile. He only says, go ahead. So we are really thankful, sir. Always you give us to go ahead. We are thankful. Our executive director, of course, with his supporting hand, blessing, guidance, and I have always been, grateful to him for all the kind of support that I have got. I'm really thankful to you. And now coming to all the professors, Dean particularly, because he has always guided me in this particular thing to accommodate with whatever problems that we have and to find a solution that, and of course being a part of that so we are really thankful, and all the professors, head of the departments, and most importantly all the faculty members. With all the lot of constraint that we had of time, particularly of time, and we finished our Tech Fest, and we didn't have time to complete all these activities. Without your support, this was of course a thing which was next to impossible. But I'm thankful, grateful, and obliged that your support has made it possible. I'm really grateful to all my colleagues, all my friends, and all my dear ones. Then coming to the members of the DC, and the member of the core committee, and all the members who organize the events, and most importantly, it's the students who have participated, supported, and took the selfless responsibility onto themselves. So I'm really thankful to all of you. And next, coming to, of course, my colleague, the chairperson of Cultural Committee, Trident Academy of Creative Technology. I'll be failing in my duties if I don't thank him. In every step, I have got his support. And Biswaranjan Nanda sir and DGM and all the support staff, Prasant Babu, Luna Babu, and all the members of Trident Group of Institutions, and all the support staff here, anybody who has contributed their might to make this function successful. I'm really grateful and obliged. Thank you so much. Now it's time, I'm sure it's time to enjoy. I'll not take much of your time. And thank you all from the core of my heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. And the inaugural ceremony ends here.
Now, I would like to request Sahil and Deepshika to take away the cultural events from here.